Okay, the question is Laplace inverse 3 over s squared minus 4s plus 9. Okay, as usual, we will look at the function at the bottom first. So, we look at here, there is s squared minus 4s plus 9. So, if you look at, refer back to the table, there is no such item from the table. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to do completing the square. Okay, so when to do completing the square? When we will perform completing the square when the function is quadratic term. Okay, so what is the completing for square formula? We have learned from form 5, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so you must perform completing the square first. Okay, the formula is s plus b over 2 squared minus b over 2 squared plus c. Okay, what is b? B is the coefficient of s. C is the coefficient. C is the constant. Okay, but make sure to apply completing the square, the coefficient to s squared must be 1. Then you will apply this formula. If not 1, so you must factorize you must factorize first, so that the coefficient of s squared must be 1 only. Okay, then we will apply this formula. Okay, so s plus b. What is b? B in our case is negative 4. B is negative 4. What is our c? In this case, 9. Okay, so this is 2, this is 2. So s minus 2, this become negative 2 power 2, become positive 4. So you get s minus 2 squared, this become 9 minus 4, 5. Okay, so now we get s minus 2 power 2 plus 5. Okay, so we can proceed now. This is actually okay, so now we can see that there is term s minus constant. Okay, so the function contains term s minus constant. So that means we must apply first shift, with a is 2. Okay, so we must apply first shift e to t. Laplace inverse fs. Now our fs become 3 over all the s minus 2 become s only. Okay, the constant take out. Okay, so now Laplace inverse of 1 over s squared plus 5. So you look at the denominator, what do you think? It will be, since s squared plus constant and the upper is constant, so must be sine. But sine what? Okay, sine, this is 5 is actually square root of 5 power 2. So at the bottom, in order to get sine square root 5t, at the upper must have contain square root 5 also, but don't forget to divide back. Wait. My pen got problem. Okay, so we must divide back with square root of 5 so that we do not change the original form. We just fabricate but do not change the original form. Okay, now it's finished. We can get the answer, which is, this is 3 over square root 5 exponent to t. This, the whole Laplace inverse become sine square root 5 t. That's the answer.